Okay guys, so now we have completed all of the input that we see in exercise 422, and I'm looking on page EX 177. We're at number 5 now. It says in cell C15, we're going to key in our first and last name, Nancy Shoemake, and we're going to now build a multiplication formula by following the following steps. We're going to click on the worksheet page called Daily Base. Do you see that down at the bottom? Daily Base. And we're going to click cell A5 and click the error checking option button.
It says that there's no error.
Error checking options button.
You have to go to the file command.
The error checking is complete for the entire sheet.
Go to the file command tab and then push options. All the way down to options. And then you go to the formula and then all the way check the, you gotta make sure the box is checked, yeah. And then okay.
Error checking rules. Okay.
Did it okay.
So note that the formulas refer to cell A4, which is empty, so we had to check that. So basically the formula in this cell refers to cells that are currently empty. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click cell A4. We're going to key in today's date in that same format, 09/17/13, and the dates are recalculated. We're going to click cell F5 and we're going to key in the equal sign. We're going to click cell D5 for hours worked. We're going to key in an asterisk, which is also a multiplier function. We're going to click cell E5 and press enter. So we're basically taking hours worked times the base rate to come up with our daily base pay, right? We're going to copy this formula down to from F6 down to F15. So F6 on down. Now we're going to select cells C5 through C15, C5 through C15, and we're going to replace all occurrences of Laron, Elizabeth with your last name and first name. Okay? Next, we're going to build a division formula by following the steps. We're going to go to the worksheet titled New Rates. And in that worksheet, we're going to click cell E5, and we're going to key in the equal sign, and we're going to click on cell F5, which is the daily pay rate, and the way we're going to come up with the new base rate is take our daily pay rate and we're going to divide that by D5. Press enter. So that's telling us that Elizabeth now, God, I swore I put in shoemake. Nancy? No, that was in the previous one. Okay, sorry about that. That is going to give us the new base rate. We're going to copy this formula that we created in E5 down to E15. We're going to key our name in cell C4. And increase the indent one time for data in column C. Out. So in order to increase the indent, we're going to highlight our C, column C. In home and alignment, click on the increase indent. Now we have completed everything we need to for this work or this exercise. Make sure you go back and calculate that our balance is in fact the correct balance. 28,334.19. If I look on solution 426, I can tell that it is in fact correct. Make sure you can see on this rubric, you can see the important pieces that needed to be taken care of. Where we keyed in the student name, here the student names are going to change, the student name up here, and our indent was changed, our formula for the division. This is a great way to make sure you did it right, did it correctly. You're going to save it again. Bless you.
Thank you.
You're going to save this again, and then what are we going to do? Submit it to the Dropbox if you want to. Correct? So that completes our first assignment here.